Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to return an eBay item. Now let's get started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you have logged in, go to My eBay in bottom left of the screen. Tap on it. Now you can see an option of purchases under shopping section. Tap on it. And over here you can see the list of items that you have recently ordered. My process section is empty because I haven't purchased anything yet. However, I'll guide you through the process on how to return the item on eBay. Once you have found the item you want to return, click on the More Action drop down next to it and select Return this item. Next, you will be asked to choose a reason for the return. Select the option that best describes your situation, such as item is not as described or changed my mind. Once you have selected your reason, review the return details, including the return address and instructions. Some sellers may provide a prepaid return label. After confirming everything, click Request Return. If approved, you will see further instruction on how to send the item back. Make sure to securely pack the item and ship it back using the provided label or your own shipping method. And that's how you return item on eBay. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.